volcanoes from up here. Over. Well, space hurricanes are a little different than the hurricanes we're familiar with on Earth. The hurricanes on Earth are based on water and rain and pressure differences and even the rotation of the Earth. The space hurricanes tend to come from energetic electrons that are coming from the sun, and then they collide with oxygen and nitrogen in our atmosphere, and that's what makes those beautiful colors, the greens and the blues of the aurora. And that's actually some really, really neat quantum mechanics that makes that happen. And sometimes, very rarely, but sometimes the magnetic field of the Earth is such that it actually makes a swirl of that aurora and makes it look like a hurricane. But the good news is that doesn't have an effect on us, on the planet. There's no threat there. It does sometimes maybe affect our satellites a little bit, but I haven't seen a space hurricane yet, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed for sure. Over. Well, I'm a physicist, so I have to tell you that everything that has mass pulls on anything else that has mass. So the Earth is pulling on the International Space Station right now, but just a little bit, the International Space Station is pulling back on the Earth. So that is to say that every meteoroid is pulling just a little bit on the Earth, and the Earth is pulling on it, but we don't tend to worry about them unless they're closer than 4.5 million miles from the Earth. And if they are closer than that, they have to be bigger than 500 feet across for us to be concerned. Otherwise, they're probably just going to burn up in the atmosphere, and if they don't burn up, they're just going to be a tiny little meteorite that make it back to the planet. Over. Hello, Josh. Yes, there are other planets with volcanoes. We see a lot of old, dead volcanoes around the solar system. In fact, I think it's just Earth and volcanoes right now. We think that there might be some on Venus, and maybe on another one of Jupiter's moons, Europa, but we're not quite sure. But yes, there are definitely volcanoes throughout the solar system. Over. I think you just did it. I think the very first thing we need to do, that's what we can do. We are absolutely in a spot where we're going to be... we wish that wasn't true, but wishing that it's not true doesn't help us solve the problem. So I think that if humans are smart enough and resourceful enough to fix it, and if we're all together, we can actually solve this very hard problem. Over.